Hello everyone, today we'll be making Jjajangmyeon Korean noodle. I might pronounce it wrong, so please don't mind me. I start off by chopping my veggie. This is zucchini. I use one of it and half of chopped onion, some potato, dice them like so. These are all the veggie I use. One zucchini, half onion and one potato, and then now I'm chopping up my pork belly. We're chopping garlic now, and then we have ginger. Cut them into really small pieces. Here I put my pork belly in a pan and start to cook them. I did add 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor powder, and I keep cooking them until they look like this. I then take the pork belly out, use the fat, cook my potato. I add potato in first, then I add my zucchini, and then I add my onion in, saute them. I do that for about few minutes. Then I start to make a hole and add my black bean paste in. I found my black bean paste in Korean market. I then add 2 cups of chicken broth into it. You need to cook the black bean paste for about 3 to 5 minutes. Otherwise, it might taste bitter. After we cook that for a little while, I add my pork belly back into the pan. And I will add 2 tablespoons the garlic and ginger I chopped earlier into the pan to cook for another 10 minutes. And here I will show you the noodle I'm using. It shimmer and it looks so good. Then I add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with cold water in to make the sauce thicken. And we're ready to serve. Putting my noodle in the bowl first, then put the sauce over it. I cut up some cucumber and then I put some sesame oil on top, and we are done. Remember to cook your black bean paste good before you add the broth in. Very easy to make and my children enjoy it.
Xin chào mọi người.
Dạ, ngon không?
Dạ.
What you think? What do you think? You like it? What you having?
And Korean noodles with a black sauce.
It's called Jjajangmyeon.
Jjajangmyeon.